For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Orion SkyScanner 100mm. It's not just a telescope, it's an entry-level astronomy system that's perfect for beginners who want to explore the night sky. Therefore, if you're new to stargazing or upgrading from a basic scope, this review is for you. Have you ever tried to navigate the world of telescopes and ended up feeling overwhelmed by the numerous options available? With so many features and specifications to consider, it can be challenging to choose the right one. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Orion SkyScanner 100mm and explore its unique selling points. One of the most significant advantages of the SkyScanner is its ease of use. The setup process is incredibly straightforward, with minimal parts to assemble and no need for complicated adjustments. Therefore, you can start exploring the night sky within minutes of unboxing. But what about image quality? Does it live up to expectations? According to various reviews and customer feedback, the Orion SkyScanner 100mm delivers impressive views of the moon, planets, and even deep sky objects like nebulae and star clusters. Therefore, if you're looking for a telescope that can handle a range of celestial targets, this might be an excellent choice. However, it's essential to note that the SkyScanner is not without its limitations. With a 100mm aperture, it may struggle to resolve finer details in brighter objects or fainter deep sky targets. Therefore, if you're planning to delve deeper into astrophotography or want to explore more distant celestial wonders, you might need to consider upgrading. Let's take a closer look at the SkyScanner's specifications and see what makes it tick. With its 100mm aperture and f/4 focal ratio, this refractor-style telescope is designed for wide-field observing and planetary viewing. Therefore, if you're primarily interested in gazing at our solar system's wonders or exploring the night sky's broader vistas, the SkyScanner might be an excellent fit. But what about stability? Can it handle wind, temperature fluctuations, or other environmental factors that might impact image quality? According to Orion's official documentation and customer reviews, the SkyScanner comes equipped with a sturdy tripod that can support its 3.5-pound weight. Therefore, you should have no issues setting up the scope on uneven terrain or in windy conditions. Now that we've explored some of the key features and specifications, let's discuss the pros and cons in more detail. The Orion SkyScanner 100mm has received overwhelmingly positive reviews from customers and experts alike, with many praising its ease of use, impressive image quality, and durable construction. However, as mentioned earlier, it may struggle to resolve finer details or handle fainter targets. Therefore, if you're an experienced astronomer looking for a more advanced scope, this might not be the best choice. But don't let that deter you. The SkyScanner is still an excellent entry point into the world of astronomy, offering a compelling combination of ease, quality, and value. And with Orion's reputation for delivering high-quality products at affordable prices, it's clear that they've put significant effort into crafting a scope that will satisfy beginners and casual stargazers alike. In conclusion, if you're new to stargazing or looking to upgrade from a basic scope, the Orion SkyScanner 100mm is definitely worth considering. With its impressive image quality, ease of use, and durable construction, it's an excellent choice for those who want to explore the night sky without breaking the bank. For the best price, click the link in the description.